C'est pour dire le fait qu'on trouve d'accepter Christ.
That the fact that we come to accept Jesus Christ, you should get
c'est pour toujours être avec madame ou même si malgré la foi. C'est pour continuer à prier pour lui.
God doesn't ask you to live it, but asks you to stay with them. Until that God change that person.
Madame, c'est pro catholique pour marier famille. Madame, c'est pro marier famille.
My wife is Catholic, I'm going to leave her. No, God doesn't say that. If you were married with that person, you still married to him. But you gotta pray that the Holy Spirit can change that person, to transform that person. If your husband wants to still play a jazz, but they will be sanctified because you're such a Jesus Christ. Again, it is very important for the children protected by you. Your children is protected by you. The other day somebody called me and said that he said the kid has a devil. He said, I cannot pray for the child, but you must send Christ first. Because the children are protected by you. If I'm going to pray for a child that has 3 years old and you don't have to be quiet and you're going to go to the devil, it's not going to work. You must see Christ, you must look Christ first. And then when you look Christ, you can pray for your own child.
C'est-à-dire que même si que Marou va jouer là,
even though your husband played in the bed,
si qu'on l'a marié à ou pas de convertir, si vous nous protégez par grâce de Dieu, mais sous dans l'évangile on est comme jouer là, la Bible a dit si vous nous protégez. C'est-à-dire nous pouvons protéger, c'est lorsqu'on parle comme parole de Dieu. Pour Dieu une frappe cœur.
God
si nous savons pas qu'à faire avec.
And devil cannot do nothing with your children.
Mon décide pas prier pour Dieu dire pas avec l'église de Romain. Pas c'était une belle femme. C'était une convocation. N'est qu'il l'église pas éduqué assez, n'est qu'il l'église pas habillé assez. Mesdames l'église, ouah
not dedicated enough, you have to go outside to get somebody else. Thank God that somebody else has to go outside to get somebody else. Now, stay all day, all night to pray for God for. That means Christian. It is very important to take somebody else out of the church. There's other men outside. They don't know the Lord, but they come to the church. They know that the church there is no but they need somebody they come to the church and they come somebody from the church. Ask God to open your eyes so when they come to you, they can go somewhere else. The Holy Spirit can put a hand on them and they can receive that. There's ladies also. Now they do whatever they're supposed to do outside, but they said, I'm going to get somebody who doesn't do it. What he's saying that there's some people they're living their life on the outside and they come to church and say, okay, you know what? There's nothing good outside, but I'm going to come to church to find somebody's good. So when they find somebody's good, they kick that person. But also some people in the church, they go outside and then they go find somebody else. And the Bible doesn't say that. If you're in church, you must find somebody in church and to be able to find them. So.
Dans verset 15, il dit